what's up, YouTube family? It's your boy King Abe. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a profitable 50 EMA moving average strategy. I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can start using it as soon as today and be able to grow your account and maximize your profits. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you like this video, smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Alright guys, so guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a profitable 50 EMA moving average strategy, how you guys can use it starting from today and be able to grow your account. But before we actually get into this tutorial, so I started my signals. It's been a month now, and in the first month we actually made 7,228 pips. That's what we made since we started last month. Now if you want access to the signals, the VIP link is going to be down below in the description, and I also have free signals also where I send at least one trade a day. You can also join that group, and the link is going to be down below in the description. So now, using the 50 EMA moving average, it's one of the common moving average that traders use, and it's very simple. So I'll be showing you guys a strategy to use this 50 moving average EMA. So the first thing you do, since we're going to be using this strategy on a 1 hour time frame, because I trade on a 1 hour time frame, the first thing you have to do is to go to the 4 hour time frame and mark up your zones using support and resistance. And when you get here to the 4 hour time frame, if you can't figure out how to draw your support and resistance using candlestick, the easiest way for you to do it is to go to your line chart. You click on line chart, and I recommend marking up your charts on trading view. Use trading view. Now the first thing you have to do is you can either use your horizontal line here, or you can use the rectangle tool. So you can see over here that we had a resistance right here, and you can also see that we had a support zone right here. And while you're doing it, you can always switch back to the candlesticks to see what you've done so far. And over here also you can see there was a support zone right here that was previously created, and over here we got a support zone right here. As you guys can see, you can also see that we had a resistance zone right here. Then we got a support zone over here. We also got a resistance zone right here, and we got support zone right here. So when you're drawing your support and resistance zone, you're only looking for rejections for your resistance and rejections for your support as well. Now that you have your zones marked up, you go back to the 1 hour time frame, and then we're going to add the 50 EMA right here. Click on moving average exponential, and we just change the settings. We change the length to 50, and for the style you can use whatever color you want. I'll just use this right here, and then once you're done, you click on OK. Now to use this strategy, if we take a look at this cell right here, and the market is actually currently open right now, if we take a look at this cell over here, we can see that we had a support zone over here. This was our support zone over here. Now to use it, you have to make sure that price is below your 50 EMA right here. Price is below your 50 EMA, and you have to make sure that price closes below your support zone. You don't place a trade as soon as price gets below the 50 EMA, because sometimes price will close below the 50 EMA and then reverses, and then it might start consolidating like what happened right here. We can see price was below the 50 EMA here, but it didn't close below our support zone. So if you had entered right here, as soon as price closed below your 50 EMA, price would have stopped you out. You would have been stopped out, because you probably would have set your stop loss right over here, and then price would have stopped you out. And then you guys can see what happened right here. We touched resistance twice, here and here, so price would have stopped you out. But the best way to use this strategy is right here. You wait for price to close below your support zone, which this horizontal line, that was our support zone, and then you would have entered right here at this candle right here. You would have entered excuse me guys, you would have entered right here at this candle. You got in right there, you set your stop loss above your 50 EMA, somewhere right here. Set it somewhere right here, right there, and then you would have won this trade, because we have our first take profit over here. And if we take a look at how many pips we got for that trade, we're looking at 43 pips, almost 45 pips. That's what you're looking at. And right now we're still on the downtrend right now, because look at what price did. Price reversed and touched this previous support zone, creating a resistance right here. So we're still on a downtrend, and once price closes below this support zone again, you can get in. Once that happens, you get in the trade, and then your next zone is going to be your stop loss. Your take profit. Your next zone is going to be your next take profit, and we actually have a zone right here. So once that happens, you just get once price closes below this zone, you just get in the trade, and your take profit will be right here. Now if we take a look at this buy right here that happened right here, you just do the same thing. You do the same thing. That's all you're doing. You wait for price to get above your 50 EMA. Once that happens, you get in the trade, and we have a slight consolidation right here. And you can also wait for this pullback. You wait for this pullback right here. For this pullback to happen, you can do that as well, or you can get in once price closes above your 50 EMA. And right over here we had slight resistance right here. If I switch back to my line chart, you guys will see that there was a support zone over here, we had a support zone right here, and we had a resistance zone right here. That's why price broke this resistance zone and then came back to the previous resistance zone, creating a support zone right here. So you could have also entered right here, and your take profit would have been right here, TP1, TP2, TP3. So guys, this is how you use this strategy. It's not hard at all. It's actually very simple. So like I said earlier, if you want access to my VIP signals, link is going to be down below in the description, and you can also join the free signal as well Both links are going to be down below in the description. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded.